Hello, everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, many of you were panicked because Cognizant technical assessment mail you had not received. But in my studied videos, I told you the reason why you are not receiving the technical assessment mail. And I also told you, please don't worry, you will receive. Okay. So this is the way you would have received the Cognizant technical assessment mail. And some of you, if you have not received the technical assessment mail yet, please do it. Everybody will be getting the mail if you have if you have written the aptitude test. So Cognizant invites you to take the technical assessment. So 1:32 p.m. Dear candidates, greetings from Cognizant. We are pleased to share that you have been shortlisted for the Cognizant technical hiring assessment, and the duration of the same is 120 minutes. I will explain you in detail. So what will be the round and what all kind of questions will come and how many coding questions will be there. So please be there till the end of the video. You are definitely going to get the clarity. Okay. Good. Now, so dear candidates, greetings from the Cognizant. We are pleased to share that you have been shortlisted for the Cognizant hiring technical assessment, and the duration of the same is 120 minutes. Please ensure that MSB is downloaded and tested well in advance. Friends, please do not do any kind of mistake. Okay. So download this MSB and test well in the advance of the schedule statement date to avoid any complication at the time of launch of the assessment. Click here to download this MSB. So all the detail has been given. Okay. In case if you have already downloaded the latest version, please click on launch test button to proceed. What is required? So they have completely mentioned all those things. After fresh new downloads will get latest build v36 by default. Click on start test button to start the assessment. It will be only available at the scheduled date and time of your assessment. Clear? Okay. Now, so friends, got the technical assessment mail right now. You can see on the videos. सर मैंने आपकी ही वीडियो से कम्युनिकेशन असेसमेंट का एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन करी थी. वो मेरा 21 को था और फिर मैंने एप्टीट्यूड भी आई प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम देयर इटसेल्फ. ओके. एंड नाउ ही हैज आल्सो रिसीव्ड द टेक्निकल असेसमेंट मेल. मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि वो भी निकल जाएगा. डेफिनेटली इट विल हैपन फॉर श्योर. ओके. नाउ but friends, don't take this technical assessment very lighter way. So that is the reason Cognizant Crash Course 2025 new pattern best we have launched it. And if you go inside this recorded courses, you can see HTML, CSS, and JavaScript coding assessment, technical assessment, right? So cloud fundamentals, basic SQL plus PYQs. So SQL queries questions will be there. So all those things we have already covered for you, and the price of the course price is also very low, just 728 rupees. See friends, what happens many times now, we regret only after we fail in the examination. So many of you might be thinking, sir, there are a lot of videos are there. There is no lot of videos here. Very limited videos are there everywhere. See, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript also we have covered. So we have already, previous questions we have covered it here, so that you will get the complete clarity. Okay, this will be the question pattern. If you go inside the aptitude, also we have covered this, you know, Cognizant previous year question, Cognizant and Capgemini game-based aptitude also we have done, right? So aptitude videos, if you go, so we have also covered the previous question which was asked in the Cognizant. Okay, so things like that we have already covered it, so you do not have to worry at all, right? You just go and start with your preparation with the videos which we have done it, right? Okay, so aptitude videos are there, previous year questions are there. Okay, so all those things you will be getting in this particular basically Cognizant preparation videos. Okay, now, so here if you see, so round one was communication round, round two aptitude and technical. So once you clear this technical assessment, then friends, totally depends upon your technical assessment. If your technical assessment, if you perform well, and this course is going to help you, so you can get a package of 4 LPA or 6.5 LPA, depends upon the profile Gen C Next, Gen C Pro, or Gen C. Okay, so candidate can choose any two preferred skills. So already you would have selected Cluster1, Cluster2, and Cluster3 for the technical assessment at the time of registration. Cluster1 skills will be Java, NC SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. 85% questions will be on Java and NC SQL. Cluster 2 skills, Python, NC SQL, okay, and cloud fundamentals. 85% questions will be on Python and NC SQL. And Cluster 3, CISA, okay, HTML, CSS, SQL, okay, JavaScript. So SQL, your JavaScript, Java coding, these things are going to be everywhere. So please practice some of the question from technical assessment. Otherwise, you will not be called for the, this thing, interviews. Now, so basically skill cluster one, Java full stack, section three, okay, duration 120 minutes, breakdown, Java programming. So basically two coding questions will be asked in Java. SQL 2 queries will be there, easy to medium, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript one question, easy will be there, okay. And skill cluster 2, Python and cloud. So duration 120 minutes, breakdown, Python programming database. So Python 2 coding question, SQL 2 coding question, cloud computing 10 multiple questions will be there, multiple choice. And your cluster 3 will be CISA. So here you could see SQL queries will be there. Okay, so CISA 2 coding question, SQL 2 coding question, and then you will be having HTML, CSS one question, right? So here we have given the complete breakdown. So this link is definitely going to help you out. So friends, now please go ahead and start for your technical, assessment test. Get this course right now and make sure that you are going to perform well by going through the previous year questions in your Cognizant crash course. Okay, so I hope this video was useful, and I will be keep giving you the important update, the required update. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. This gives us a lot of motivation to work hard for you. And definitely, we are already doing it and we will be keep doing it. Thank you.